Hello everyone. So last tutorial we have seen how to import your local repository to GitHub. So this video I'm going to explain how to like clone the remote repository, in the sense the whatever repository in GitHub. For example, in your maybe you are joining to a project, already they have a repository in GitHub, so they will give a username and password, or you have to sign up. So once you get a URL, how you can proceed, so how you can take it to local and update something, so that I'm going to teach you in this video. So first of all, let's create repository. So maybe something like new repo, new projects, new project. I will initialize with readme. Okay, so it's created readme file. So from here itself I will add some file. I think that's fine. I will add my this dot text. Okay, I have added some command. Just you need to create something like okay, so it's directly committed. So I have two files. So I have got this repository link. Maybe they have given the login credential for this repository. So once I logged in, I will get this view. So my project is new project. So how can I take it to local? So click on this button. There will be a link. Okay, so clone with HTTPS. There will be a link, and just click on it. Now go to okay. So there is nothing. So the last tutorial one I have deleted, so don't worry. If we see in repo also, there is nothing. So here I will do git clone and paste it and enter. So yeah, see, the file came, two files also came. Maybe if I want to update something on existing file, so directly you can open with text editor or anything, updated line. So just save it and close it. So the same command like how we have used before. So first we have to go into the open the project, cd new project. There will be two files. So if you see git status, so you can see modified. This my description text is modified. So if you want to add something to update, so whatever you updated, if you want to add to staging first, that is the actual process. So whatever you add a new file, so first time you have to use git add all the file. If you are updating something, then also you have to git add. So the basically add is used to moving the files to staging. Staging in the sense I am ready to upload this file to a remote or repository, local repository. Okay, so git add this file. Now then I have to do commit. Git commit -n the message like updated my desk file. just enter. Yeah, one file changed, one insertion. Okay, now I can just do git push. So once it pushed, so it need to push to the remote repository, so it takes time. It's a small file, maybe the network issue, it's taking time. Okay, so you can see there are 2 commits. You just refresh. It pushed. So 3 commits. When you click on commits, see what I have did this. When you click on commit message in GitHub, so I can see what are the changes I have done in this commit, like yeah, updated. So for example, if multiple members are working on the same project, so you will get to know who has updated and when he has updated. So I have added, if it is green, it's I have added a line. If I deleted something, it will show red. So I have added with this. So we can ask them why you guys have removed. So the reason they have to give it in the commit message. So don't worry. So now we are familiar with, so like pushing a repository from local as well as cloning repository from the report, like remote. So both we are fine. Um, so from next video, I think you will get to know how to create a branch and how to create a MR. So how to maintain multiple branches. So all this thing you can see in upcoming videos. So please subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you guys. If anything, you can write it in comments.